Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
How development of insatiable hunger for fitness take place. Fitness is one thing we all strive for. An uncommon genetic disease of weight problems can have an effect on the message that's dispatched for your mind to inform you when you have had sufficient to devour. This also can purpose you to feel an insatiable hunger. Picture going to paintings, connecting with friends, spending time with family, or just enjoyable after a meal and feeling hungry throughout each moment. Furthermore, no amount of schooling, experience, or connections will bring you through existence inevitable setbacks. Without a powerful purpose, no purpose can result misfortune. You can create a purpose by taking time each day to visualize your intention in detail. You have got to have a few visions, some concept of what the future could seem like, says social scientist and God educate Dr. Frank Niles. You want a North Star to hold operating towards. Niles explains that using visualization helps enjoy both the purpose's final results and the strategies required to get there, and this boosts our motivation to reap that intention. Spend time with human beings who have what you need. Want to succeed as a worldwide public speaker? Go spend time with one. When you see him or her full of passion inside the middle of a speech, receiving thunderous applause or a huge paycheck, you'll have a flavor of what you may have in case you put inside the time to attain your personal intention. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the common of the five people you spend the maximum time with." The attitudes, beliefs, and yes, dreams of these human beings grow to be our personal. Anthony Iannarino, the first-rate promoting writer of the only sales guide you will ever need, says that when you spend time with successful humans, you begin to emerge as conscious of what you trust and the way it limits you. You benefit from the advantage of reworking quicker by finding humans whose ideals you could model. Burn the boats. According to legend, Alexander the Great landed his invasion force on the shores of Persia, then ordered his ships burned. "We pass domestic in Persian ships or we die," he said. History is affected by examples of leaders giving the identical order inside the face of overwhelming odds. The tactic is discussed in Sun Tzu's The Art of War, and in China, "fighting with once again to the river" is a popular saying, a reference to going all in. Raising the stakes will boom your chance of fulfillment and make retreat impossible. The Latin root of the word decision is literally to cut off, to get rid of some other course of action. Burning the boats isn't always a selection to be made lightly, whether it involves quitting a process, killing a product line, or investing your nest egg. But while you are faced with a choice among victory and sure defeat, you'll be starving for fulfillment. Move your frame. When your body structure modifications, so does your mind. 30 minutes of light hobby offers you greater strength by way of growing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients for your cells. Without power, you can have any force. Think approximately how you sense after Thanksgiving dinner or on New Year's Day. In those low power states, I'm guessing you have got little motivation to paintings to your side commercial enterprise. Forget sports activities, beverages, or even coffee. Studies display that bodily activity may be higher for productiveness, and when we produce, we get a motivational boost, putting off an effective cycle. What's greater, exercising can scale down tension and despair, which rob us of hunger. You don't need to hit the gym every time your motivation drops. Even simple practices can noticeably enhance your force. What I learned from attending a weekend seminar with Tony Robbins' final month is that even getting out your chair can raise your power. Make inactivity extraordinarily painful. Humans are pain averting creatures. So, if we can make the notion of the falling brief of our aim bitterly distasteful, our subconscious gets busy conjuring the motivation we want. There are a few fundamental maneuvers to inspire you. Donate to the other political party while you procrastinate, or make your intention public and let the humiliation of no longer following through be the stick that maintains one foot in front of the opposite. A more superior approach is the swish pattern. From neuro-linguistic programming life coach Steve Stutz explains, visualize yourself appearing the bad addiction, procrastinating in your purpose as an instance. Visualize a replacement dependency. See yourself pushing the image of the bad habit away at the same time as you perform the new dependency. Put yourself in a superb state and consider starting to procrastinate, then snap your fingers and stop the conduct. Once again, visualize the new addiction. Repeat the process till the brand new habit becomes your reality. If you're successful, even the concept of going again to the old way will sense lousy. Physical hunger grows mechanically, however, your appetite for success receivers. Motivation like bathing is nice practiced every day.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.